let's talk about what we should be doing when we have our whiteboards. Your whiteboards should be on the floor in front of you. Your markers should be capped. Your bottom should be on your circle. And your ears are open and your mouths are closed. All right, when I ask you a question, I want you to answer me. What do we do first? Lincoln.
We read.
We have to read. And then what do we do, Shay? No, we don't write.
We draw.
Draw. We read, we draw, and then we
Write.
Perfect. We read, we draw, and we write. So you're going to read with me. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You're going to read with me. Eyes on the board. We're practicing reading right now, too. Right here. Larry asked his friends whether dogs or cats are smarter. 9 of his friends think dogs are smarter. And 6 think cats are smarter. Make a table to show Larry's data collection. How many friends did he ask? All right, so let's think about what this is asking us to do. First of all, we know that Larry did something. What did Larry do?
Ask.
He asked his friends a question. And the first question he asked was about dogs or cats. Which one's smarter?
Nine said
Good
dogs.
job. 9 said dogs.
And 6 said cats.
And 6 said cats. You notice what Miss Evans is doing. I'm circling the important information. So we know that he asked his friends. 9 thinks dogs are smart. 6 thinks cats are smart. Now, the word problem tells us to do something, Ryder. That should be on the floor. It says make a table. Remember we talked about tables yesterday. We started on a graphing yesterday. We started on our class on our tables yesterday. And it asked us how many friends did he ask? Okay. So we know, oh, good job. So we know 9 dogs. So how are we going to label that? What do you think, Lincoln?
D.
D for what? Dogs. And how many would we draw?
C.
And C for cats. Good. You guys go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it on your board.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. D.
You got the lid. Okay, so you know how many of each. Should we draw a quick draw? And we're not going to draw dogs and cat faces, are we? No. What are we going to draw? Do it.
6 cats. I'm gonna draw the dogs first. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ooh, I love how you're looking back in the problem. See it? How many dogs?
1, 2,
Okay, so let's go back. Larry asked his friends whether dogs or cats are smarter. 9 of his friends think dogs are smarter.
4,
And 6 think
5,
cats are smarter.
6.
Draw your dog. It's 9 dogs and 6 cats. You just draw a split circle. Not close
I'm done.
No. We do a quick draw. We're not drawing dogs and cats' faces. Remember? We're not drawing dogs and cats' faces. You do a quick draw. How many cats? Thank you. Good job. Ooh, I see some people already starting with a number bunch
I know.
so they can count.
Is 9 the total?
Okay. 5 minutes is already up. Everybody stop. Everybody stop. Eyes on the board. All right, let's check together. We had how many dogs?
9.
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many cats?
6.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, how many of his friends did he ask?
Oh, no. 9. 19.
Wait.
16.
Somebody said I don't know.
19.
All right. Lincoln, how did you get your answer?
Just took away 1 from 6 and knew there was 5.
Okay, so Lincoln, let me see your board. Okay, everybody look. This is what Lincoln did. He took his 9 plus his 6 and got 15. But what he said was that he took, that's a bad 9. He said what he took was he took 1 away from 6 and that left 5. Remember how we break that out to make a 10? 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 5 equals 15. Now, you didn't have to do it that way. If you're not where you can do that just yet, you're not going to have to do that, okay? You could have solved it a different way. How else could you have solved it?
I know. I can do.
How did you?
I know.
How did you solve it, Fatima? I know. How did you solve it?
Maybe 9
Yep, you've got 9.
and 6 and 15.
Yep, 9 plus 6 is 15. So when you figured that out, Fatima, when you figured out that 9 plus 6 is 15,
I know.
how did you find it?
Because,
Did you count?
yeah.
Yeah, and you could do that too. You could count. So you could say 9 and then count on. Ether, could you use your counting on strategy? Yes, look at me. Look at me. Yes. You could say 9, 10, count with me, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yay! So, you are correct. In your number bond would look like this. We knew the 9 and the 6, and we added those up to get our total of 15. Okay? Can you erase your boards for a second?
Oh no.
Back.
That's mine.
5, 4,